Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about simple steps to find our target journal. Actually, before writing our research article, it is necessary to fix our target journal or find our target journal. Then it will be helpful while writing your research article. So these are all the steps, major steps we have to follow before choosing our target journal. So prepare a tentative abstract based on problem definition. So it is necessary to prepare a tentative abstract. This is not a complete abstract, tentative abstract for based on our problem definition, and also we can compose a tentative title also, because these title and tentative abstracts will be useful while finding our target journal. And third one is find target journal using journal finders. Many journal finders are available right now. The standard journal finders are available. So using these journal finders, we are going to find our target journal. And then we ensure the journal quality. And one more thing we have to note down here, the journal quality is very important. And as per journals finder suggestion, we can carefully choose our journal, and also we have to ensure the journal quality in terms of impact factor, H index, and previous history also. This also we are going to discuss in this video, and carefully read the scope of the journal. And another important point is, after choosing the target channel or after collecting some journals, journal names, we have to carefully read the scope of the journal, which should be that is fixed with our writing, going actually in future writing our journal. That is, the problem definition should be fixed in the chosen journal. The scope is comes, it should be under scope of the journal. And don't forget to read author's guide. This is also very important, because the different journal has a own guidelines, own techniques, or own guidelines. So we have to follow before writing our journal. So I am giving some examples based on these tips. Already we discussed how to problem definition in my previous videos. This is our problem already we defined in the previous video. We discussed a lot in this one. So it should be contain application technology and core area. So based on this problem definition, so we can write our tentative abstract. This is our tentative abstract. I am coloring differently because the tentative abstract contains many factors. So in the first line, I'm using the first line domain. I'm introducing the domain. Thermal image processes are widely used for the identification or classification of objects captured during the night light vision. So this is the domain, because here I am mentioning thermal image, night light vision, identification and classification. These are domain based. In the second paragraph, problem. Here I mentioned it is important to identify the human presence in the low illumination thermal images at human entry prohibited locations during night time. So this is the problem. So here I am going to use thermographic cameras for detecting that is capturing the images, and also this is the problem to identify the human presence in the low illumination thermal images. The third statement, I'm giving solution. So solution for that problem. That is, furthermore, use of convolution neural network as a part of deep learning is one of the best ways to get accurate results in terms of identification and classification. So using CNN technology, I'm going to give the solution to the problem. So the just you note it down here. Tentative. This is a tentative abstract. This is not a complete abstract. So I am not mentioning any exact techniques I'm going to use in the paper. Okay, this is a tentative for finding target journal only. Purpose only we are defining our tentative abstract. And the fourth statement, comparison and results. So based on the problem and solution, I'm going to compare. Therefore the proposed scheme is divided into two phases. So first one is a noise removal. and the second one is ResNet 50 architecture I'm going to implement, and finally the proposed scheme is compared with VGG 16 architecture. I'm actually going to use ResNet 50 and the comparison will be VGG 16 architecture, and depends upon your awareness and your knowledge. You can include more comparison also in terms of metrics or in terms of existing method also. So this is the four important factor need to be included in the tentative abstract. The complete we will go discuss later in my future video how to write a exact abstract. So this is the tentative abstract for finding our target journal. So it should be contain domain, problem, solution, and comparison results analysis also. So based on this tentative abstract, we are going to find our target journal, and also we have to frame the tentative title also. We have to compose the tentative title also. Here I am giving tentative title: identification of human presence in the night vision thermal image using convolution neural network. Okay, so this is not a definite finite title, so this is a tentative title. Here it should be identification of human presence is the problem, in the night vision is the thermal image is the domain, using convolution neural network is the technology. So try to compose the detail with all the factors. It should be have all the factors, like already we seen application domain, that is core area. So it is well and good for understanding the readers from the point of readers. So based on this tentative abstract and title, so we can find the target journal using the finders. These are the list of finders, the most popular finders I am giving: Elsevier, Journal Finder, IEEE Publication Recommender also there, Springer, Journal Suggester also there, Journal Guide also there. So this is major journal finders. From this platform, we can get the list of journals based on our tentative abstract and title. So why we are preparing tentative and abstract title means, so the journal finder we have to fill the title, tentative title and the abstract. So accordingly it will be give the list of journals related to your abstract. So this is the example based on our tentative abstract and title. Here paper title I have given this title and abstract also. So here after given this one, so I can find my list of target journals. This example actually nowadays the Elsevier journal finder giving 50 list of journals that's related to your abstract. Previously it was only 10, now it is giving 50 related journals. So this I am giving example graphical mode. Here you can find many informations. The text match score, this is the text match score. Okay, so text means as per your title and abstract it is matching like this. This is the site score. Impact factor also given, this is the impact factor also they are giving. Acceptance rate also it is available. Acceptance rate is out of 100 papers they are accepting 26 papers, like that it is taken. And time first decision 8 weeks. Okay, so while choosing our target journal we have to consider all these parameters. Okay, the impact factor, acceptance ratio is the most important factors. Okay, so here just for example here I am giving 0.727. Okay, this is the impact factor, acceptance ratio. And I am taking another example. I am giving another example. Here is this example here. Okay, so here information process and management, journal of visual communication and image processing, expert systems with applications. So these are given by journal finder. Here we should note that here you can find 28% acceptance rate and 2.259 is the impact factor. Okay, so we should consider the acceptance rate issue, because for example in the expert system with applications only 30%. So it is very difficult to accept unless until your paper has a more weightage. So we can go initially for beginners I am talking about. Suppose if you have expert means okay, well and good, no issue for acceptance ratio. But in the beginners we have to consider the acceptance rate and as well as impact factor also. So if the acceptance rate is more than 20 or 25, it's good for taking your paper for review purpose. Okay, so not sure it will be accepted or not. here impact factor also, for example, if less than that is 1 to impact factor between 1 to 1.5 is good for beginners purpose. Okay. So from this list of journal, you can see all the details also, including scope of the paper. Here I am taking expert system with application. Here you can find the journal scope also. You can read journal scope here, and also there is a home page link also available in the each and every list of journal. So go with the home page link and you can find the scope of a journal in the home page of the corresponding journal also. So you can go to carefully go through your journal scope, and it should be lights of your cover your future writing paper. And also, so after choosing our journal or a collection of journal, we can ensure the journal with these platforms: Scimago JR, Scopus, and Web of Science. These are the major platform databases, and in Scimago JR you can find all the information, that is previous history of your chosen your target journal also. So go through all the previous histories, and as well as H index, impact factors, everything is available in the Scimago JR. So indexing also available in the Scimago JR. So, and also you can find your indexing details in the homepage of the corresponding target journal also. So in future video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to ensure the journal with these platform. Here I am giving some suggestions list of the platform also. So after ensuring your quality of journal using Scimago, Scopus, or Web of Science, and then we go into the homepage of the corresponding target journal, and there you can find the author's guide. So you can download or you can go through the author's guide. You have to strictly follow the author's guide before starting your manuscript, because each and every journal has a different technique and different guidelines for writing our paper, including figures and including the section of the body, including the methodology, everything they are mentioned in the author's guide. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, press the bell icon. Thank you.